Hi everyone, I'm happy to back to my YouTube channel to work here, so I will post the player tutorial, the bar skills tutorial, some crazy stuff that you can use behind the bar. So guys, I will just share my experience with you, so follow my channel and let's start. So today I will explain you how to do the move with the bar spoon, the bottle and shaker. So guys, you need to have the basic bar spoon rolling skills that you can use from my Instagram profile. I posted a few weeks ago, you can just find it. So the basic bar spoon trick with the using 4 fingers. So now we do the same, but we keep in the bottle same hand. So it's look like this. You need to take the bar spoon between index and palm, then join middle finger, then ring finger, then index again, and just put to the tin and start to make a pour. The trick looks amazing when you rolling the bar spoon and just putting and start to pour. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and follow my channel. Peace guys!